second try here sa Takoyadon. We ordered ramen. So we're back in SM. It's a Sunday kasi nga we need to find the appliances for Mama at Papa na. So, ayan, kain muna kami. Dito na kami. Titingin na ng rep. So, we're in the car. We're going to try. We're done with SM, by the way. So we were able to buy our Xiaomi. What's this? Keyboard and
mouse.
Xiaomi. So we
The
like.
only mouse that we like.
We like Xiaomi.
We don't really like the mouse.
Okay. So
The rodents.
we will check it out later. That's some aming workstation. So right now, while we're going, before going home, we're going to try for Sarah's Bake Shop. We bought classic burnt cheesecake.
May libre pang plastic. Thank you, Lord, sa food.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord, sa big.
Very cheesy. I'm very excited with this because he denied me in buying the mechanical keyboard that I want. I know I mentioned that you should buy whatever you want, but within reason, okay? Pero kasi maganda to eh, yung Xiaomi. It's also nice to buy stuff na yung nakikita nyo na agad-agad. And yung nahahawakan nyo para hindi rin masayang yung money. So, yeah. You like it?
I do. Not so sweet.
Not so sweet? Not so sweet.
Sweet spot lang siya.
Very cheesy din, no? Okay. So, very nice. Bili kayo sa Sarah's Bake Shop. Ito na po. Ito na po ang Xiaomi keyboard. Thank you sa Xiaomi. And then, ang mouse. Thank you po. Naka na.
The next day.
Yun.
Okay. Ay, third try to find Mama's washing machine and ref. So, we're now here at Walter Mart. Wala tayong kanta para sa Walter Mart, no?
Walter Mart.
Okay, so...
Bye-bye.
Hindi. Basta, we're here at Walter Mart in Las Marinas. We're going to go to Abenson and we're going to find Mama's washing machine and her ref. Sige na, tama na.
What are you eating?
Turks. We're eating turkey. We're going to eat turkey before we go to Walter Mart. I mean, before we go to Abenson. So that the decisions will be made better. Okay, bye.
Hey, ah.
Bili kami ng avocadoria.
Tinapat ko yung camera kay Dada, hindi siya nagsalita. Gumanon-ganon siya.
We're trying just to be,
What?
sometimes kasi less talk, less mistake.
ba yun?
It's the same, babe.
Ilan ba lang yung lagayan?
Wow, so yummy, so tasty, so delicious.
Give. Bakit? Wala ka nakita? Mahal? Okay, here, oh. Nakita namin yung may-ari ng Purun Mart nagpamasahe.
Kita yung DIY?
Ano ba yan? Sira to yung video ko.
Ito na mismo.
Parang kiti-kiti eh.
Isipin. I'm not stupid. Wala ka na sa...
Gusto mo bang ikaw ilalagay ko doon?
Amo ko lalagay sa mga rep do.
Wala naman si Kino eh. Napili natin na ref ng Mama Nining. Very, very nice.
Sa two-door Samsung. Ito naman yung napili naming washing machine.
Meat more meat.
Ay. Uwi na kami. Pauwi na kami. So, baby dropped by Monterey to buy stuff. There's the baby girl. Okay, we're going home. Thank you, Lord, for today.